Hello and welcome back to this Excel course specially designed for beginners. In my previous video, I discussed about the Excel interface and the ribbon. Now let's talk about the Excel workbook structure, like how a workbook in Excel is structured using worksheets and renaming worksheets and so on. Okay, so a workbook is a file in Excel that contains many worksheets. The file I have on my computer screen open is a workbook. This is a workbook. And as you can see, there are many different worksheets in the workbook like this. You can add as many sheets as you need to add in this workbook. But how to delete these sheets from your workbook? You just simply need to click on the sheet you want to delete and select delete, and your sheet will be deleted. You should also name your sheets, and this is important, especially when you are working on a large workbook that contains multiple sheets. You can't open up every single sheet to find certain things. For example, one sheet contains charts and the other one contains maybe graphs. So again, clearly mark what your sheets are called, not only for you but for people who may open your workbook. They can understand quickly what your worksheets mean. To name your sheet, click on this and go to this option, or you can double click here and rename your sheet. Let's name this as Achieve More. Okay, now let's talk about entering some text into a worksheet or a cell. This is something you might have done in Excel or Google spreadsheets before. You can type anything into these cells. Just start typing and then press an arrow key to move out of the cell. Alternatively, you can press enter after typing like I am doing here. Press enter and there you go. You have entered information into the worksheet. A worksheet can have as many rows as you can see here. It goes all the way down to, I don't know, maybe a million. Yeah, whatever. So it's important to be mindful of how to work in sheets because when you get more advanced in Excel, you will be linking different worksheets together. And I'll be talking about linking sheets in my upcoming videos. Alright, so that was it for today's video. I'll be discussing formatting in my next video. See you there.